In this tutorial, we will be learning about activities in Android development. Activity is a single focused thing that a user can do. So let's go ahead to our source. In our package, we have this main activity.java. Double click on this file to open. This is a very straightforward and simple Java code, which I'll explain you in a few minutes. Then go to RES, which is our resource, and in layout, open this activity main.xml. This is a layout, and this layout is for our main activity. So we have our package, which is com.example.app1, and these is our imports, which is android.os.bundle and android.app.activity. So this android.app.activity package holds all the classes for working with activity, and android.view.menu. Now we will minimize it. Public class main activity extends activity. So we are inheriting from the activity class, and we have a method on create. It is a protected void method on create, then bundle saved instance state, which is the parameter, and in our this class we have super.onCreate saved instance state. This means that it is creating it from the saved instance, and we are calling one more method, which is set content view. This method sets the content view, and the view which we are setting is r.layout.activity_main. Now this is very important because what this statement says is we are loading the activity main layout. That means in our layout folder, this activity main.xml is being loaded when the activity is created. So on create event, we are calling r.layout_activity_main and making it the content view using set content view method. So basically we are setting this layout for our activity. This is our layout, and we have opened this in a graphical editor. This is the actual XML file, and this is its graphical layout. Now let's go ahead and run this application. Click on run, and here we'll find run or control F11. It asks us how to run it, and we will run it as Android application. Press OK. It may take some time. It asks, no compatible targets were found. Do you wish to add a new Android virtual device? Android virtual device is short of an emulator for our Android application, which works exactly as an Android device. We'll click yes. So here we will create new. Device name will be test, and you can choose from any of these devices. We'll select Galaxy Nexus or Nexus 4. Target will be Android 4.2 API level 17. Now you can select your own target and your own device targeting which you are creating this application. We will leave it all the things as they are. We are increasing the internal storage by making it 500 MB, and we are including 1 GB of SD card. Click OK. It has created one device for us, and let's start that. Click launch. It will take some time to launch. It will take much time when it is loading for the first time, so have patience. It is ready. Now click on OK, and this is our screen. Now go back again, close this Android Virtual Device Manager, go to Run and run it again. Now as you can see, our application is running and our activity has been started. But there is Auto Monitor Logcat. It says, would you like to ADT to automatically monitor Logcat? We'll say yes and click OK. So this was the tutorial upon activities in Android. Thank you.